Looking out the window, what do I see? A field of sheep a grazing, peaceful as can be. All of my family love the railway, so the Rock Island line is the only way to go. Looking out the window, what do I spy? A windmill is a whirling as we're rushing by. All of my family love the railway, so I believe the daylight's the only way to go. Looking out the window, what fun occurs? A cowboy riding horseback, wearing chaps and spurs. All of my family love the railway, so, and the super chief is the only way to go. Looking out the window, what does appear? A bunch of folk a-fishing off a wooden pier. All of my family love the railway, so the Rocky Mountain Rocket's the only way to go. Looking out the window, what's that ahead? 1,000 waving wheat stalks waiting to be bred. All of my family love the railway, so the president's the train, that's the only way to go. Looking out the window, what comes in sight? A dozen picket fences painted gleaming white. All of my family love the railway, so, and the Flying Yankees the only way to go. Looking out the window, what can it be? 20 laughing children waving back at me. All of my family love the railway, so riding the torpedo's the only way to go. Looking out the window, what a giant moon. It's been such a great day, I'll be sleeping soon. All of my family love the railway, so any train you're on is the only way to go. The Rock Island line is, I believe the daylight is, and the super chief is, the Rocky Mountain Rocket is, the president's the train that's, and the Flying Yankee is, riding the torpedo is, any train you're on is the only way to go.